Hi guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm here to do a quick video discussing my Longchamp Pliage small top handle nylon handbag. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to stick around and let's get started. Welcome back. I'm sorry I had to look down because I wanted to get the name to you correctly. I did not want to butcher the name. So this is my Longchamp Pliage small top handle handbag. I purchased this about 7 months ago from Bloomingdale's. And I've been wearing it a lot since I purchased it. I really wanted to come in to do a video showcasing everyday handbags, affordable handbags that anyone can wear. This handbag I purchased for $125. It looks small. It is the small top handle, but it can pack a punch. I did do a what's in my bag video back in May on this, and I will show you some of the items that I currently have in this handbag. But for $125, I think this is a perfect bag to have in your collection for days when it's raining, or if it's snowing, or days where you just don't feel like wearing a luxury handbag. And not to say this is not luxury, because this is luxury, but for days where you just want to have a regular handbag and just go about your day. It can hold more than you think. It can hold a water bottle, a full-size wallet, your makeup. And I think this is a perfect handbag for moms on the go, because it's a no-fuss bag. So if you're a mom and you have an infant or a young toddler, I think this would be a perfect handbag to definitely have in your collection. So let's go over the measurements. I will be putting them up here. The width is 9.1, the depth is 5.5, and the height is 8.7. So this has a little bit of room in it, and because it's nylon, it can stretch and it gives a little. Right now, Bloomingdale's have this bag listed at $125, and they currently have a green one on sale for $100. I think it's a perfect handbag, definitely to have in your collection for everyday purposes. And also, not only for moms, I used to go to Pilates. I used to do Club Pilates a while ago, and this is perfect for those who go to the gym, or definitely, I'm not a gym person, so I'm gonna take that back. I don't go to the gym. I just went to yoga, Club Pilates, and I just ride my bike here at the house. But those who go to Club Pilates, you know, they have the little cubbies where you just go put your shoes in your bag, and this fits perfectly in the little cubby at your local Pilates studio. So what's inside of this beauty? I have my pouch. This is my pouch. I used to sell on Etsy. I have a few left, so I might put them up on Etsy. I don't have that many, but it's just a pouch that holds everything that I need, and so it's not scattered all over my handbag. I still use this to this day. I love this pouch. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. It's always a positive message. I'm a positive person, so I still carry my canvas pouch. Excuse the outside noise. This is my key fob. I've had this for many years now. It has my Kim in here, not my initials, just Kim, my name. I don't know what that noise is. My Bloomingdale's pouch. I keep change in here, and I also keep my car key fob also in here because it doesn't fit in this, so I keep it in here. And I always like to keep quarters with me because you never know when you have to pay a parking meter. My Good and Faithful card holder. I still have my Gucci Mama card holder. I've been using this for years now, as you know. a full-size Josephine wallet. Good and faithful. Had this for a number of years. A mask, because we need a mask. And my AirPods. So this is what fits inside of this bag. And we know this bag can fold up. Let me fold it up. So when you're not wearing it, you can store it in your closet and put it away. Fold it up like the store has it. And there you go. And store it in your closet, wherever you store your handbags. And whenever you're ready to pull it out, you unsnap it, you put your items back in, and you're good to go. So this is just a quick video going over my small Pliage top handle Longchamp bag. My name is Kimberly, also known as Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Bye.